Hey guys, welcome to Bake Flow. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon bars with just 4 ingredients. I feel like we're going to cut and then Okay, first off we're going to put flour in our mixer bowl. This is 2 cups. Okay, this is not going to work. So 2 cups of flour. And then we're going to do a 1/2 cup of sugar and then 2 sticks of softened butter. This is like room temperature. And we're just going to go ahead and throw all this in the mixer bowl with the paddle attachment and mix away. And right now we're just making like a basic crust for the lemon bars, and it's nothing too special about it. It's really buttery. It holds together really well and not too sweet. More of like a shortbready texture, which I really like, especially because the lemon filling is going to be pretty sweet, so it makes it really balanced. So we're just going to mix this for like 2 minutes, and then we have our prepared pan. We're going to use a 13 by 9 with parchment paper on top. I always use parchment paper for all of my desserts because it alleviates any stress of it sticking to the pan, and it's also super easy for cleanup. So my dough has come together, and what it's going to look like is just really coarse. You want to come zoom in? Come look at it. Yeah? So not super dried out, kind of sandy-ish, sandy texture. We're just going to dump it into our pan. And then you're going to press it with your hands all evenly. You're going to press down pretty firmly so that you can create your crust. If you don't do this part good, your crust will fall apart. So it's really important to make sure that everything is packed down pretty evenly and all the corners. Alright, so this is done, and we're going to throw it in the oven at 350 for about like 14 minutes, and then we'll pull it out, and in the meantime we'll make our filling. So this is going in for 14 minutes. Alright, so while our crust is baking, we are going to put together the lemon filling. This lemon filling is super simple. You only need 2 lemons, 4 eggs, and a 1/4 cup of flour, and 2 cups of sugar. So we're going to throw all of these ingredients. We have our zested lemon. I use Meyer lemons, I think. Meyer lemons, because they're super juicy and big. Got our lemon juice. We have 4 eggs, 1/4 cup of flour, and then 2 cups of sugar. Now we're just going to mix this really good. You want to make sure all your egg incorporates into the mixture, because if it's not, you'll have like blobs of like egg white, and you just don't want to eat egg white in your lemon bars. So make sure it's really well mixed. I'll probably do it for like 2 minutes. Cool. And that's it. That's literally it. Yeah. So our timer just went off, and we're gonna check the crust in the oven to see if it's baked. Alright, so our crust looks good, has some lightly golden edges, and we're gonna put the topping, the lemon, egg, sugar mixture, right on top of the crust. We're just gonna pour it on. Might sizzle a little bit, but that's okay. So once our lemon mixture is on the crust, we're gonna stick it back into the oven for an additional 20 minutes. And it's gonna bake the lemon filling on it, and then it'll harden up as it bakes. So we're gonna throw it back in for 20 minutes at 350. All right, don't forget to set your timer. And we'll check it in 20. All right, so our timer just went off for the lemon bars, and we're gonna glove up and check on it. All right, looks perfect. So, nice and solid in the middle. There's no jiggle. The edges are a little bit crispy, but that's okay. We're just gonna let this cool off for maybe like an hour. And we'll cut into them and see how they are. Okay, so now that our lemon bars are cooled off, we're gonna cut into it and we're gonna try it. Quality control. All right, just gonna cut like so. They're holding together really well. I really like this recipe because it's not too much lemon filling. Sometimes the lemon can be a little bit overpowering and tart, but with this, it's not. I'm gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar on top as a garnish. I didn't plan that out, but this is a good close-up shot actually. So. I have my sifter and I have my powdered sugar. I'm just gonna sprinkle like so. Oh. Nice little garnish, makes it look nice and pretty. All right, now they're ready to eat. Take this guy. Moment of truth. Little crunchy bottom. Filling, not too soft. Perfect texture. Tart, but a little sweet, not overpowering lemon, really buttery, smooth, really good. So, hope you guys like this recipe. If you make it, please let me know. And like and subscribe our YouTube channel to see more videos like this. Yeah, is that good? Try it, yo.